Find features that make it different from other brands. For BKZ, 2025 upgraded, 360 degrees adjustable dual stand, AI Auto Keystone electric focus, mini portable projector with Bluetooth 5.4. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Portable mini projector. Bring the big screen anywhere with the BKZ portable Bluetooth projector, your all-in-one entertainment and presentation solution. Designed for ultimate convenience and stunning visuals, this compact powerhouse delivers 1080p resolution support. Fully adjustable dual stand built-in dual 360 degrees x 50 degrees adjustable stands let you easily position your projector on any surface, no tripod needed. Compact and ultra-portable, it's your ideal travel companion. Precision optics at your fingertips. Adjust focus remotely with pinpoint accuracy using the electric focus feature, and keep your image perfectly squared with smart keystone correction, no manual tweaking required. Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless audio freedom. Wirelessly connect to your favorite Bluetooth speakers or headphones with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 tech. Need louder sound? Connect to external speakers for a full room cinematic experience. Want a private movie night? Pair your wireless headphones and enjoy immersive audio all to yourself, no distractions, just you and the screen. Easy casting plus USB playback. No built-in system? No problem. Stream effortlessly by connecting your iPhone, Android, or laptop via HDMI or USB-C. Plug in a TV stick for instant smart streaming, or simply insert a USB flash drive to play movies, shows, and more directly. BKZ makes it easy to enjoy your content, your way. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.